Hey everyone, Mike Hidalgo here. Thank you for joining us on another FCP Euro DIY. Today we're going to be working on our 2002 Volkswagen GTI Mark IV. Today we're going to be covering how to replace something very important that people forget all the time, windshield wiper blades, and if equipped, the rear wiper blade as well. Today we're going to be working with our Bosch OEM wipers. The kits are going to include a 19-inch and a 21-inch for the front windshield and a 13-inch for the rear. Typically wiper blades are going to last you about 6 months depending what kind of driving you do and how often you use them. So just keep that in mind. Next time you're in a rainstorm, you want to make sure your blades are good. Now for this job, we're actually going to need no tools, just our hands. So let's get started on this DIY. All right, my good people, we're going to start on the driver's side of the vehicle first. Now the driver's side takes the 21-inch wiper arm, and to start you're simply going to lift up the arm, you're going to rotate the blade like so, and underneath you're going to have a little tab that you're going to press towards the arm itself. It's going to just simply do that. You'll be able to disengage the blade and slide it off, and then you can simply guide the blade off of the arm through the channel right here. Careful with this, you don't want it to swing down and crack your windshield. It has happened in the past. Then you're going to take your new blade and channel the arm through the opening here in the blade. Line up your clip. And you're going to hear it click. You're going to feel it engage. It's not going to go anywhere. Very simple. Then you put it down gently. Now let's tackle the passenger side. Over on the passenger side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to lift up our arm, rotate our blade horizontally, and then same thing, pushing on the tab. This one's disintegrated. There's not much left of it since these blades are so old. So this blade is just going to slide right off our arm. Slide it over to the side. Make sure the old clip comes off with it. Cautious with your arm so it doesn't swing down to the windshield and crack it. And then same thing, I position my clip ready to install on the new blade. I'm going to slide it through. Feed it in. Shouldn't move after you get it engaged, and then set it back down. And that's the front in a nutshell. Now let's head to the rear and take care of the rear blade. All right, my people, we are at the back of the Mark IV. The process for the rear windshield wiper blade is going to be identical to the front ones. You're going to have a small tab that you're going to want to push in. You're going to key your wiper blade down the arm and off to the side. You can see I'm being cautious not to let this sling back. I don't want to crack any glass today. We're going to set up our new blade, position our clip so that it's ready to install. Same thing as before. Key it in through the channel, slide it towards you, pull it up. You'll hear the clip engage. It shouldn't go anywhere. And simply set it back down gently. And there you have it. And there you have it, my good people. Another simple but very important DIY in the books. One thing to note, the front windshield portion of this car is going to be the same as if you had a Mark IV Jetta. So any Mark IV Jetta or Golf, this job is going to apply to you. If you like what you saw in this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments on what we did today, leave those in the comment box below. And if you like this DIY and you want to see more like them, please consider subscribing. We make new ones all the time. As always, thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.